Hi guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. It's me, Jean's channel.
It's me, Kuya Jabi.
It's me, Jalit the Obenyet.
It's me.
Jaffer.
Oh, Jaffer.
It's me, Jaffer.
Yeah, it's him, Jaffer.
Him, Jaffer.
Yun, gaya-gaya yun sila. Ayan, Macario, ginamit ko yung mic ko. So, ginagamit ko to siya pag nagbablog ako, pag may nagbi-video. Ayan, pero nakatago kasi yan siya usually sa buhok ko. Ayan, so ginamit ko siya. So, ayan guys. So, today guys, meron akong bubuksan na package. Ayan, may tanggap ako na package guys from Ate Nels Taiwan. Ate Nels. Ayan. So, bigay to guys ni Ate Nels. Ngayon bubuksan ko kung ano yung laman. Ayan. So, bago yan guys. Pero muna ako. Pasok! So ngayon guys, bubuksan ko na yung padala sa akin ni Ate Nels or aka Ate Taiwan Journey. So ngayon guys, nandito na kasi siya sa Pilipinas, nagbakasyon. So ito yung padala niya sa akin. Oh, thank you so much Ate Nels for this box. Ayan. So nakaka-excite guys, no? Ang sarap magbukas. Ang sarap magbukas. Excited yung mga kids ko.
I want to see what it is. Is it toys?
Toys. Kami yung toys at toys.
Tingnan ko kung anong laman.
Look at the toys and toys. What? A wallet can reach it. What?
Rush pa nakalagay. Oh, rush. Rush. Rush pa nakalagay. O, diba?
Rush?
Salamat, Ate Nels.
Rush. Is it here? Good than you. What?
Alis mo na, alis.
And a wallet.
Hirap buksan, ha?
What? For 6 days, we buy another box. Open your mouth.
Open ng mami daw.
A wallet for the ice.
You say, thank you, Tita Nels.
Thank you, Tita Nils. Thank you, Tita Nils. And what about your
Yan. Thank you po, Tita Nels.
Another wallet.
Ate Nels, Taiwan, thank you so much. Ang hirap buksan.
Oh, wow.
Wow! Wow! Ayan, thank you, Ate Nels. Meron akong wow, bag with sabon. O, diba?
Visual.
Oh. Wait lang, wait. Wait lang ha, ako muna mag-open ha, kasi vlog ni Mami to. Ayan, Cow White Elegant Floral. Oh, sabon. Bango niya. Bango niya, Ate Nels. Bango. Ayan, blue. Ito din, white. Cow White.
Cow blue yung kaya, no?
Bango. Thank you, Ate Nels. And also, merong bag. Ang cute. Ang cute naman. Sling bag.
Wait lang.
Wow, meron ako.
Wait lang.
Pang araw-araw na gamit. Nag-aaway na sila. Oh, thank you, Jingpin. Oy, Jingpin.
Oh.
Patingin mo nga ni.
Jingpin. Machismoso yung anak ko.
G.
Yan. Thank you so much, Ate
I
Nels.
have a wallet.
Wow, thank you, Tinels.
Buy
Thank you sa pasalubong. Cutie bag. O, diba? Thank you, Tinels. And meron pa, guys.
Wow.
Is that food?
Oh. Wow. Shein chocolate. Wow. Hindi na maingay. Magbablog pa ako. Toblerone. Alis mo na dyan, alis.
Toblerone, I like that.
So, yun guys, merong Toblerone. Ayan, thank you, Ate Nels. Merong Snickers. Oh, thank you, Ate Nels. Meron pang Toblerone. Thank you, Ate Nels. M&M. Wow, thank you, Ate Nels. Toblerone again. Snickers again. Oh, it's
Candy again.
Miniko Baby Girl. Oh, Kuya Wa, ay Miniko Baby Girl. Oh, di ba? Singit mo dyan. Ayan. Ito guys, candy, chocolate candy. Ito pa. Meron pang M&M.
My favorite
Snickers.
Snickers again.
What?
Snickers.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
China again.
Anong China? Taiwan. She's from Taiwan.
Taiwan again.
Meron pang candy. Yan. Thank you, Ate Nels. And ay, meron pa. Candy again. Chocolate.
Uy, musketeer.
Na ano siya guys, yung natunaw. Pero ilagay ko lang to sa ref. Titigas uli ito. Ano to?
Ito mo
Mosquitoes.
Musketeer.
Mosquitoes. And today, wow! Para siyang, ang tawag nito? Para siyang, ano yun?
Parang kisses.
Kisses pala. Para siyang kisses. Thank you so much, Ate Nel. So, yung mga anak ko may chocolate, favorite chocolate nila.
Mami, ito na lang po kainin po namin.
Oh, di ba? Kakainin siya kaagad, guys. Again, mag-thank you muna kayo kay Ate Nels. Thank you, Tita Nels. Say thank you, Tita Nels.
Thank you po, Tita Nels. Tita Nels.
Oh, thank you, Ate Nels. Ang dami-daming chocolate. Thank you so much. Ayan, guys. Thank you so much for watching also. And thank you for sharing your blessing, Ate Nels. Or Ate Nels Taiwan or Taiwan Journey sa aking YouTube channel. Sa kanyang YouTube channel pala. Ayan, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!
Bye.
Thank you, Ate Nels!